Alright, today's video, Starlink in your vehicle. If you're using Starlink in your vehicle, always make sure that Starlink can see the sky. That's how it works. So it's in my van right now, and then I just folded the window cover so Starlink could see the sky. I'm about to test out the upload speed. The file I'm about to upload is 1.27 gigabytes. Upload just started up. It says 31 minutes left, 1%, and the time is 1:35 p.m. I'm on a road trip right now. Up in the mountains, I like to hang out in my van for a while before I resume my road trip. So, testing out Starlink, that's today's video. I ordered my Starlink directly off their website, $229 for Starlink Mini. The first 50 gigs for the first month is free, and then I'm on reoccurring payments for $50 a month for 50 gigs. You could get unlimited for $150, and I believe there's a $5 a month plan that's just for normal browsing, no video, so that's pretty good for normal browsing, good for emergencies. If you're somewhere with no internet reception, I was able to test out Starlink. I was able to do a live stream in the middle of nowhere with no regular internet reception, so it's really cool. It's really cool to have this for emergencies. I'm planning on quitting my job in 2026 and going all in on my YouTube channel, so having an internet connection anywhere is going to be nice. So when you get Starlink, you're going to register your email address, whatever email you use to buy it, and then you have to download the app. So this is the Starlink app. So as soon as you get it, it'll work. It's not going to be password protected. You just plug it in, you'll find the Starlink connection. Make sure it's looking at the sky. That's how it calibrates. Like if I were to have it in my van looking at the roof, it's not going to work. I already tried it out. So I'm going to show you guys how to password protect your Starlink. So when you're in the Starlink app, go to settings, and then you'll see networks right there. Go to your Starlink, and then you just make your own password. That's how to password protect your Starlink. Simple as that. Go to settings and create a password that way. Not everyone's going on it, eating up your data if you only have 50 gigs. When I was filming the app for you guys, the app gave me the heads up that it's doing a software update. The last time I plugged this in was last week, so that gave me the heads up that it may disconnect momentarily, or the speeds may be a little slower momentarily. So there it is. I'll show you guys what it looks like outside. Here's my van up in the mountains, and there's Starlink. So no obstructions. That's the key with Starlink. It's got to see the sky. That's how it talks to the satellites. Checks complete, no issues found. That was 1.27 gigs uploaded in under 30 minutes. So I haven't used my Starlink in about a week, so there was a software update. It's in the window of my van on the dashboard. There's Starlink mounts where people mount them on the roof of their vehicle, so I could probably get it in a more optimal position. And then on top of that, it's been storming lately, so 1.27 gigs in about 30 minutes, and I will show you guys the live stream I did. I'll put the video right here so you guys could see my Starlink live stream in the middle of nowhere when I was getting no normal or no regular, standard internet reception on my hotspot. Here's how I'm powering up Starlink. I need to get the suction cup mount so when I drive it doesn't slide off. So it came with this power source. You could get a 12 volt. It's plugged into my solar. And here's my van after sleeping out of it for a day. Sleeping at a rest area. So if you watch van life channels and they claim to live in their van, but their van's perfect, they don't really live in their van. They're just doing it for show on YouTube.